I don't think people understand just how amazing Peruvian cuisine is. Get ready to explore Peru, a country bursting with flavor. Peruvian food is like a fiesta in your mouth. Diverse, vibrant, and absolutely delicious. It's no wonder Peru is a rising star on the global food scene. From the Andes Mountains to the Amazon rainforest and the Pacific coastline, Peru's geography is a recipe for culinary magic. Each region boasts unique ingredients and cooking styles, making it a dream destination for adventurous eaters. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a delicious journey through Peru's top foodie hotspots. Welcome to Lima, the vibrant capital city of Peru, a true melting pot of diverse cultures and rich cuisines. This city is a bustling hub where tradition meets modernity, creating a unique and exciting atmosphere. It's a paradise for food lovers. The markets are brimming with fresh produce, exotic fruits, and a variety of spices that tantalize the senses. Let's start with the star of the show, ceviche. This iconic dish is a must-try for anyone visiting Peru. Imagine fresh, tender fish cooked in a tangy marinade of lime juice, onions, and ají amarillo peppers. It's a flavor explosion that dances on your taste buds. One bite and you'll understand why Peruvians are so passionate about their ceviche. It's more than just a dish, it's a cultural experience. And don't even get me started on lomo saltado, a sizzling stir-fry of marinated beef, onions, tomatoes, and soy sauce, all served with fluffy white rice. This dish is a perfect blend of flavors and textures. It's the perfect comfort food after a day of exploring the city. Whether you're dining in a cozy restaurant or enjoying a meal with a view of the cityscape, the culinary delights of Lima are sure to leave a lasting impression. Next stop, Cusco, the gateway to Machu Picchu. This city, perched high in the Andes, is a treasure trove of ancient wonders and modern-day marvels. As you wander through its cobblestone streets, you'll feel the echoes of history in every corner. This ancient Inca city is not only rich in history but also in culinary delights. From bustling markets to cozy restaurants, Cusco offers a feast for the senses. The vibrant colors, the tantalizing aromas, and the rich flavors all come together to create an unforgettable dining experience. Get ready for some serious comfort food, hearty stews, flavorful soups, and dishes that will warm you from the inside out. Imagine savoring a bowl of rich, savory stew as the cool mountain air surrounds you. It's the perfect way to experience the heart and soul of Peruvian cuisine. One of my favorites is ají de gallina, a creamy and slightly spicy chicken stew made with walnuts, milk, and ají amarillo peppers. It's like a warm hug on a plate. The combination of flavors is both comforting and exciting, making it a must-try dish for anyone visiting Cusco. And for a taste of the Andes, try alpaca. It's leaner than beef and surprisingly delicious, especially when grilled to perfection and served with a side of quinoa. This unique meat offers a taste of the local culture and traditions, providing a culinary adventure that you won't soon forget. So, come hungry and leave with a heart full of memories and a belly full of incredible food. After a day of exploring the breathtaking ruins of Machu Picchu, where ancient history meets the splendor of nature, you'll need a hearty meal to replenish your energy. Don't worry, the culinary delights of Peru await you. The nearby town of Aguas Calientes has got you covered. This charming town is not just a gateway to Machu Picchu but also a haven for food lovers. One dish you can't miss is trucha frita, fresh-caught trout, pan-fried to crispy perfection and served with a squeeze of lime. The flavors are a delightful blend of freshness and zest. It's simple yet incredibly satisfying. The crispy exterior and tender interior make it a must-try. And for a taste of local life, immerse yourself in the vibrant markets where the heart of Peruvian culture beats. Try choclo con queso, boiled or roasted Peruvian corn kernels served with a slice of fresh cheese. This traditional snack is both hearty and delicious. It's the perfect snack to enjoy while soaking in the stunning views. Imagine savoring each bite as you gaze upon the majestic Andes, feeling a deep connection to the land and its people. Our culinary journey wouldn't be complete without a visit to Paracas, a coastal town known for its stunning natural beauty and abundance of fresh seafood. Prepare to be wowed by the freshest ceviche you've ever tasted, made with fish caught just hours earlier. And if you're feeling adventurous, try parihuela, a spicy and flavorful seafood soup packed with fish, shellfish, and ají panca peppers. It's like a party in your mouth. Don't forget to wash it all down with a refreshing glass of chicha morada, a sweet and slightly tart drink made from purple corn. From the bustling streets of Lima to the ancient ruins of Machu Picchu, Peru, is a culinary adventure waiting to be explored. With its diverse ingredients, unique cooking styles, and passion for food, Peruvian cuisine is an experience that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you wanting more. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, grab your appetite, and get ready to embark on a culinary journey through the heart of Peru. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you.